Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with a handbag organization and giveaway. I went out and I put together this beautiful handbag for one of you. I'll be giving it away along with another bonus, so stay tuned in this video for that. So let's get started. Okay friends, I saw this beautiful Calvin Klein bag and I knew that it was the perfect bag to do a giveaway with. So I wanted to put together a bag at the start of spring for us to give away. So this is what we're going to do. So I want to show you the bag, but then I want to show you the components of the bag. But one thing, if you've been with me a while, you know I love to theme out the interiors with the organization. I think it's so fun to style the interior and organize it in fun ways. If you have not checked out my previous handbag videos and handbag giveaways, I will put the playlist down below. Definitely check it out. And so I was thinking about this bag and I love the color because I thought this is perfect for the spring. It's perfect to kind of wear with our creams and our whites and our denims and all of that. And so one day I was talking with my friend girl Melanie from the YouTube channel Living Luxuriously for Less, and we were talking about this whole trend of the shades of brown and how it's just so beautiful, and it's in a lot of streetwear on the runways. You know, a lot of fashion magazines you're seeing where they're taking different shades of brown and grouping them together in fashion and nail color and all kinds of things, and it's really just absolutely beautiful. So it inspired me with this bag, and I said I could have a beautiful spring bag, neutral bag that would be great. But when you open it up, you had this beautiful array of browns, which would represent the shades of brown. So I thought it would be a fun take on it. And you all know I'm always looking for a theme to organize a handbag. So our theme with this giveaway and this handbag is the shades of brown. Now, I know the trim on this handbag looks black, but it's really a chocolatey brown, which I thought was perfect. That's another thing that sold me on it. And it's called it's the Cherub White in the Calvin Klein brand. And I love that it has the little snap in the center right there. Beautiful gold hardware on this bag. And I think that the gold really complements that cream ivory color. And I love that on the pulls on the side, they have two little gold tips on it, which really just adds to the whole look of the bag. So it's just really just a beautiful bag. And I love the tote size of it. I think that I would say that this would be in between a medium and large bag. But one thing that I loved was the interior because it was neutral, just like the exterior of the bag. So that really would help complement when I organize the bag, the shades of brown. So I didn't have a kind of interior that would be fighting with my theme. So I thought that that was perfect. So this bag here, we're going to have a lot of fun with. It does have a double pocket on the side. So one that is open so you can just drop your phone, and then the other has a zipper on it. So that's good if you want to conceal something in it. You may want to conceal your ID or wallet or something like that. So that is always good to have a pocket that zips on the interior. So that is the gist of the interior of the bag, but it's absolutely beautiful, simplified on the inside, and I love that this bag is just a nice big poof. I feel like it's just a big poof, and it's really beautiful. So now what I want to do is I want to get into showing you the components that I purchased for the bag. I do want to give a disclaimer that this video is not sponsored. I purchased all items for the giveaway and for the bag, and I want to do it as a thank you to you all for all your support, and I hope that you have been enjoying my new content posting schedule, and it's just good to be back posting and doing these kinds of things again. Now, this is my inspiration, this fingernail polish, and this is going to be included also. And Essie has, I didn't even realize they had this Express polished, which is a quick dry. So I knew of the Essie brand of polish, but I didn't know they had that little fast dry brand within their brand. So I thought that that was neat. But I got them in 3 shades of brown, and this is what I'm using as my inspiration. So when you're styling the interior and organizing the interior of your handbag, that's a tip that you can use, is to find that inspiration piece, and then that's what you use when buying your coordinating pieces. Now, I found this beautiful journal in Marshall's, and it had the little gold hardware on it, and I thought this would be perfect for that master to-do list. I'm always telling everyone and my clients and everyone, keep one journal as your master to-do list, where if it's work, home, self-care, church, whatever it is, You create categories within one journal of all the things that you need to get done, and that's your master to-do list. And that way you have one place to go to when you need to shop things to create your day, to figure out your schedule or what you're going to get done within that day. This journal is a rich dark brown, which is beautiful and perfect for our theme of the shades of brown, and perfect to have on your handbag or in your handbag for on the go. The next thing I picked up were these shades, and I believe they're by Jessica Simpson, and they are so cute because they have that little gold accent on the side, which I think is so nice, because sometimes with shades they can have a little overkill on the side, and sometimes it's cute, but sometimes you just want something simple. I love that it coordinates with the little tassels on the sides of the bag, so I thought that was a lot of fun. And then of course from Target I picked up this brown case for the sunshades, and I thought that it was great. It complemented our shades of brown, and I thought it would be the perfect accessory for this combination here. And friends, before we continue, if you're not subscribed to the At Home with Nikki family, I would love to have you. Please click that subscribe button along with that bell so that you receive notifications every time I post. I post 7 days a week now. And also, like this video if you like this type of content. It really helps me out and lets me know what you're really liking. So now let's get back into packing this bag. So we have this beautiful caramel wallet, and I think this is gorgeous. I think it blends in with our shades of brown, and it's going to be a great complement to this bag. So this really plays off of our whole theme of having those shades of brown. And so next what we have is also that tech bag, because you want to carry things like maybe your AirPods, or you want to carry your charger for your phone, or your charger even for your tablet. You can have all of those accessories in here, along with some stationery items such as pens and Post-its if you need to leave notes and things like that. So I would consider that a little stationery bag, and you can see how that's also playing off the tones. Now this bag is a complement to the actual bag. So although it does have brown tones in it, and it also has that cream ivory color of the bag, it is a Calvin Klein bag that also coordinates with that bag. So I thought that it would be a perfect fit for that bag that you need to carry all those must-haves, your makeup and your lotion and all of those kind of beauty items that you need on the go. And then this is something that I found, which is a little kind of protective kit, and I thought it was neat because it has the mask in it, it has the case for your sanitizer, it has the little key, what do you call it, the touchless door opener, and so that you can punch the pads on the keyboard, when you're shopping and things like that on the keypad. It also has a little watch band for sanitizer so that you can carry sanitizer as a watch band, and of course it comes in a beautiful brown case which blends with our shades of brown. So I knew that that was perfect. So having that little COVID kit or that little kind of sanitary kit on you is important nowadays. And so friends, this is our grouping for our shades of brown. And first, before we organize the handbag, let's organize our little kind of beauty bag. And that's that Calvin Klein bag that I just showed you. I want to put those things in it. And what I did was I just found some fun items that kept with our theme. And of course, whoever wins the bag, you customize this to fit your needs for whatever you need. But I just wanted to add some fun little things in here for you that kind of fit our theme. So the first items to go into the bag are, of course, our inspiration pieces, the 3 nail polishes in that shades of brown, and they are just beautiful colors. And Essie came out with this line, which is a quick dry. So this is great for on the go, great to keep at the office, and it's just to kind of get those nails done and have them dry quickly. So it is a quick dry polish. And I hadn't seen this before until I was looking for things for this bag, so I was really excited to see that they came out with this product, and it may have been out a while and I didn't even know. Then some on-the-go deodorant, of course in that brown, with it being spring and summer coming, we need that, along with some lipstick. This is actually a nude. And I also picked up another pack of my favorite hair clips, along with bands, which have those browns in it, that I thought would be neat to put also in your bag for on the go. And you can even use it as a little mobile office also if for work. And then I have some hand cream here. And of course, it is keeping with our theme of those shades of brown. And so hand cream is always a must in my handbag, so I figured it would be perfect to put in this one. And so this is everything that I found for this bag, and I thought, you can tweak it whoever wins the way you want it, but I was just loving to be able to put something together for you to have a place to put it. And so I'm organizing the bag in the same way that I always do because it works. It's about categorizing your items and then lining them up within the bag so that you are able to just look down into your handbag and see all of your different categories and access the things that you need. Now, here's the thing, friends. When you put the items in, put your wallet and your to-do list in the center because those are the two items basically that you always pull out. But as far as your COVID kit and your beauty bag and your tech bag, you can access those right from the bag. You don't even have to pull them out. Because they're positioned, lined up, you just unzip the bag, dig in, get what you need. So it really is convenient. So this right here is my preferred way of organizing my handbag because again, my wallet and the journal are the only two things that I need to pull out. Everything else, it's just about unzipping and accessing what I need. Now, friends, I did not forget about my friend girls, you all that love smaller bags, because I know when I tend to organize a handbag, it's on the larger side. So I said I'm going to do a second bag as a second prize for 2 winners. So there's going to be 2 winners. And I also did it in the shades of brown. So there's going to be the bag that I just showed you, the larger bag and the smaller bag. And then I'll pick 2 different winners for each bag. So in the comments below, let me know, are you a big bag lady or a small bag lady? Which do you prefer? And what I did was I just shopped those components that coordinated with the larger bag. I got you a bag for your tech items, for your COVID kit, a wallet, a journal, those things that we need for on the go. So this bag is just kind of a smaller version of the larger bag in that shades of brown. So I hope that whoever wins this will enjoy this also. Now, friends, one thing I will say is I have to do this giveaway on Instagram because it is so hard to facilitate a giveaway on YouTube, just kind of finding the winner and choosing the winner and all of that. It's too convoluted. So if you would please go to my Instagram at AtHomeWithNikki, and under this post for this video, go ahead and leave me a comment and tag a friend, and you are entered to win, and I will pick the winner in 1 week from today. So friends, I wish you all luck. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a beautiful day, my friends. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.